economic and gas-saving. This 2011 Nissan Altima is powered by a fuel-efficient gas i4 2.5L/engine that actually saves your hard-earned money. Its variable transmission averages 32 highway mpg and 23 city mpg. It's loaded with the following options: 2.5L DOHC 16-valve i4 engine, trip computer with outside temp gauge, warning lights incorporated, door ajar, low fuel, low washer fluid, lockable glove compartment W/13-liter storage capacity, independent front strut suspension, air conditioning with microfilter ventilation incorporated, chrome rings around knobs and vents, vehicle info display, overhead console with sunglass holder, side door guard beams, rear coat hook. Give us a call at 620-275-7171 or for a hassle-free deal on this must-own Nissan Altima, come see us at Lewis Chevrolet Cadillac Nissan, 1903 East Highway 50, Garden City, Kansas, 67846. Just minutes away.